Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm about to show you guys how to create a Cryptoguru account. So let's get started today's video. So the first step was that simply open up your Google Play Store and type Guru and just open the app, or if you know how to install, just simply install that. And once you are on the app group page, here you can see the option for select your languages. Just simply select your language and then tap on continue. And now here you can see the continue option in the bottom. Just simply tap on it, and now you have pop up for get $7,000 to register. Just simply tap on the continue option, and now you have to enter your name, email and password. And after entering that that information, just simply tap on sign up, and the confirmation code will send to your entered email. Simply copy that code and paste the code and then tap on continue. So here you can see your account has been created on Cryptoguru. So that's it guys. If this video is helpful for you, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.